Who's outside?
He's not a bear, Clemmy.
No.
Yeah, this is me.
Hey. You want the Glock or the...
I've already got a weapon, mate.
Alright.
Okay, with the mag. So good.
That's you, I guess, yeah.
You said you wanted a Glock.
Who's here with the AKM? AKM, boy, first side.
Clamp out of his hand.
Don't peek.
For fuck's sake! It's not me.
Oh, right at the
fire station.
outside of
He's
the
behind there, Haggis.
Guys, I see them. I see them.
Right.
That was rolled up behind
There's
the
one
house.
inside fire, one inside.
There's a guy at the walls. Back wall.
On the back of hangars there.
One inside fire, I'm hit.
Get out of them hangars, Willie, and come. Get out of the hangars.
Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm in
You say
hangars
it's
now.
inside
One in
fire,
fire. Yeah, inside fire. That's the one with the AKM. That's the one who came. There's a fire.
Ah shit, there's a guy gliding. I'm dead.
Willie, back off.
I'm unconscious.
Yeah, I'm it.
I'm dead.
I'm behind the wall.
Front of fire.
In front of fire.
Yeah.
What the fuck did I see them?
I did see him and then Clammy said it's me. Haggis goes, who's moving outside fire?
Front of fire's
Clammy said
down.
it's
Front
me.
of fire's down. He's unconscious. Where's that
Tommy,
one
back
with the
off,
pistol
where's
hangers? Do you
Selby?
still get hit?
I'm dead, mate. I'm dead. I'm at the back. I'm at the
Oh,
subs,
fuck.
mate. Guy with a blue press vest.
Such a fucking clusterfuck.
AKM.
Where's happening?
AKM.
Behind Chief.
Yep.
Willie, watch.
I'm dead.
Oh!
He's down, Willie. He's down.
Oh, another one.
That's me.
Whoa. Who's this in the field?
That's me.
Okay.
I'm at shit.
Where, Clan?
Blaze over on the side of the airfield.
That'd be the guy.
He's not at us, I think.
Oh, the shots coming forward on north of us.
I can't get this.
I'm between
fucking guy,
shifts. Who's still shooting then?
Clammy, you shooting or who shooting?
No, not me. That's them.
Right, I don't know where them shots. Them shots are coming from round somewhere.
Is that you?
It's me.
Is that you?
Yeah, zombie.
I'm at Alex's body roll.
There's people still inside fire. The doors are closed in the front.
Alright, I'm in just in front of fire, mate. I'm pretty sure they're all gone in front of fire.
No,
Just been looting for the past bloke.
they're coming forward on north of us. Way around somewhere.
Yep, everyone's somewhere. But they're not at us, eh?
No. This is two different squads again.
I'm inside fire.
Why don't just back off, regroup, and then go up and get them?
I'm waiting until I'm covering Clammy. Clammy's on the bodies. Clammy,
Yeah.
I'm looking at you. I'm just to this. Yeah,
Don't
so.
worry about the gear.
Oh, mate, I'm not fucking getting
Will you
down.
stand here in this
I
corner?
need a gun, mate. That's the one we have to do.
And
Yeah.
just 3 PP the corner and watch over by the wall, right? I'll watch this way. Haggis, where did you do?
I was at the back of Sivs, mate. I was at Sivs, in between the two Sivs barracks. That's when I run round the fire station. I seen you two. Well, I seen two people at the hangars, and I'm sure that was you and Egg and Willie. I ran over to the Sivs, and then I just got caught out with the desync. To be honest, the guy got me with a pistol.
Clammy, hurry up, buddy.
Yeah, I am.
This squad's gonna roll down this way,
Just
so
gonna just go.
Yeah, I've got an AK and everything, so.
I'll grab as much as I can. I'm gonna grab mags
No,
and
just
scopes.
get what you need to get, mate, or leave it, and that's it. Didn't thing me for loot. We'll pick it all up, so don't worry about that.
I only
Got a
got
split,
one mag.
mate.
One mag for your AK, would he?
Yeah, the other one is 4 rounds only.
Yeah, here's 30 rounds.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got Berezino, so I'm going to head to Gorka and head that way.
Alex, where are you? This is crazy action up here. The shots going off to the north of us is unbelievable.
I'm gonna like try to probably change on the more character.
He's got a blaze up. Yeah, Alex's body's still got a blaze, guys.
Can you grab it? I'm double carrying as it is. I don't know where to
Yeah, I
put.
can't. I'm double carrying as well. AKS and fucking I don't even need the AKS. I'll drop it.
Take the scope.
What have you got in your back?
Got a AK aim with the bipod. The fuck's going on? Fuck.
Who's moving?
Hmm?
I heard footsteps there.
Yeah,
None of us are moving.
I'm looking left and right here.
Clammy, you are still standing up for me?
No. I am.
Yeah, you're standing up on my screen.
What about now?
You're still standing up. Change your weapon from one hand to the
You
other.
walking, Ege? You walking?
Yeah.
No, it's Clammy.
Okay.
I'm just getting as much of the Alex's gear as I can. And I'm
You're good, man. You're just take whatever you need. I'm
Grab
jumping
ammo
on my
on
work character.
stairs. Alex is jumping on another deal.
Who's your other dude, Alex?
Near northwest, so. Be
I
good.
bet you got barracks. I could maybe log on that guy too then.
Yeah, like I don't mind if I die. I'll have to loot up again then. Action's happening now, so I may as well get straight up there.
Yeah.
I'm coming, mate. I'm coming. I'm low on blood, dude. I'm gonna need some blood baggers.
I'm just here. Let's loot these dudes out with saves. See if they got a sail on or something here.
Alright.
Haggis was
I've
at
got
the
my
back
drum
of
mag AK
stairs.
back.
You
He
see
was
my
in
body?
between shifts. I was he was shooting at the guy. He was
Yeah,
here.
I'm just gonna get in a 7 reload.
Here, Haggis is here. Haggis is here. In between the two shifts.
I must have tagged that guy. I'm a wee bit annoyed at these things, to be honest.
I was sitting staring at that dude. The AKM dude that killed me. As you said, you told me to look.
I've got a
check
sideline on
somebody
me.
outside the.
I have a sail on now as well.
What guy, Alex, was it?
We ran straight down behind him. I was literally 5 meters away from him, and I says, "That's not Haggis." I turned away. I says, "Oh fuck."
Sorry, what was that?
What guy were you staring at thinking that was who?
The fucking the AKM
Maybe
dude that was
that's me.
beside fire. You said you heard movement outside fire. I looked outside fire,
Yeah.
and then I heard
thought
it's
it was-
me,
Yeah.
and then I went, all right, so I'll just
I did
leave him.
most of the things I could.
Yeah, that's why I asked, because I thought someone was. I thought it was you
Yeah.
outside. Well, I thought it was someone.
Right, I've
Yeah.
100 and something rounds of Winchester ammo on.
I got 72.
GG.
No,
I'm coming on side east wall now, boys.
Oh well, that was quick.
right, where you at? I guess
Gonna lay
it
around
said.
here.
Would he spare mag in
Yeah,
that first aid kit?
I took the spare, the mag out of the AK and I took
No, yeah, it's
Mag
not
is
an
a big-
AKM mag. It's in the first aid kit in that backpack.
yeah, it's a 101 mag.
It's me
Is
coming
that
up
you,
towards.
Alex? That's you, right?
Yeah,
Coming
it's
up.
me. It's
Yeah.
me.
Come in this. I go and give me a silent.
Right, I'm going back model. Wait for
Right,
these
I think I'll
clusterfuck
leave this down as a
bastards.
walking tent for the time being and jump onto the other dude who's just outside the airfield.
Sorry.
An SVD as well.
Alright, I'll
The Alex towards
Willie, can you come inside
North
one of
Barracks,
those environments,
North fucking camo.
Yeah, that's what I was
One
saying. There
sec, one
was
sec.
zombies moving up there.
No, that's you want to hear the SKS's, AKMs, AK-74s all ripping off. So
Right.
Where do you want me, Clemmy? Clemmy,
yeah. Yep.
where do you want me?
In. Open the windows. I'm inside
Don't
the silent.
whistle. Just say the closed one. Don't.
Oh, sorry.
Whistle.
I didn't realise. Yeah, dropping the silent on the floor. It's gone. Silence fucking disappeared. What the
I just went outside or something. It's okay.
I will open the door, you can open.
Good shout on choosing
No.
the server tonight.
Shit.
I don't see a silent outside.
Mhm. Then you're
Your
fucked.
best clammy putting your jeans down or something and doing that shit, mate. No, have fun.
Any of you had a silencer on his AK or?
no, I didn't see any silence around one of them. I think the AKM had one, but Columbia has that now.
I had a
Yeah, I got
silence
the
on
drum
my
mag,
AK
okay.
if you want to.
Clemmy.
That's disappeared,
Oh my
mate.
God,
I had
oh
it.
my God.
It's in the backpack, but the silence has gone from it.
On the
Oh,
ground,
I see
my
it. I see
jacket.
it. I see this.
Nice. My jacket. Put it in my
That's
jacket
why.
then.
Alright. I can't put it in there because it's
Yep.
Oh, look.
I see it. Take out the mech for the AKM mech.